Today we are riding the surfiest, wow, jumpiest, and most fun trails at Raging River. I hope you enjoy the video. A little dust in the eyes. This is supposed to be loam, but it's summertime and it's dry. Wow. You know this trail. You can really surf it. Oh. You good? I'm gonna let him fly by. Hee!
Right down the curve. Yeah.
Dude, this is the surfiest trail I've ever seen.
How rad is that?
If you know this trail, you could just... Yeah.
The problem is getting like more and more confidence on the backside, and then you get to this.
Yeah.
That's totally clearable.
Yeah.
You need to know it's coming.
You need to know it's coming. Pull.
Yeah.
I saw the hole, got scared, pulled brakes, and maybe land right in the middle. Yeah.
Do you want to go back and get it?
There you go. Yeah. Nice.
All right, I'm gonna measure this on camera here. Gordy just sent it. A little slow. Let me get out of your way.
On the Booker's left.
Maybe right in the middle, right here.
Yeah, I think.
Yeah.
Like 17. Nope. Oh, that feels so good. A little dust in the eyes. Does not feel so good. Gosh, these trails are so sick. Sorry for the snotty nose.
There you go. Good.
I'm gonna give him some space. Oh. Yeah, what's that?
Throws you right down there.
Well, I tried to bail and it was too late. Time out really quick. These trails are not actually at Raging River. They're not public trails and it's not my place to say where they are, but it has me super stoked to just go off the beaten path and find more stuff. So here we go. We're good. We're good. I gotta go back and get that. I'm looking down. Chill. There we go. Yay! Nice. The speed on this one with the variable landing really scares me. Nice. You barely got in the air, you just floated right over it. It was nice. Woo-hoo-hoo! Drop. Oh, look, you got it. You got it. Ah. Oh. Wow. Good? Yep, good. Yep. Nice. Hell yeah. We're good. Could have been really bad on that. Dang. You, that is sick. Hell yeah. That's awesome. Wow. Thought about it for a second.
Oh, there's the trail.
We're getting to that time, boys. Look at this thing. This is cool.
This just the more Whistler style one.
Okay.
Oh, fuck me. Damn it.
That's fine. Little ski ice, come on.
Yeah, I'll follow you.
What's our laser say? I love this thing, dude.
Dude, it is the best, I'm telling you. Go. 34. Massive step down though.
That's the house.
Yeah.
Not a big landing. I think what would be nice is do this, and you intentionally go slow, and you try and land right there. That's what I'm gonna do.
Whoa! Oh! Oh! I'm good. Yeah. Oh, liability out here when we get tired. Oh, that's cool. Man. So many fun looking features. Oh, hey.
I think it's as straightforward as it gets.
Oh man, you can't do that. That's a bigger gap up there.
Let's measure it.
Wait, I'm gonna say 10 or 11.
Feet?
20.
20?
17.3.
Wow. Oh, okay.
I think it's fine. Drop it. That was the most fun ride in a while, and I think it's going to be a top ride of the summer. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe so you catch the next one. And remember, we're all kooks, trying to keep the good side down.
Short.
Dang, that was perfect, dude.